For your convenience, a 12-volt instrument panel power outlet is located on the passenger side of the integrated center stack. This power outlet has power available when the ignition switch is in the ACC or on-run position. There is also a 12-volt power outlet and an optional 115-volt power inverter located on the forward wall of the storage bin below the media center on the center console. The 115-volt inverter can power cell phones, electronics, and other low-power devices requiring power up to 150 watts. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.